Frederick August Krueger the Fourth is my legal name, so I come from a long line of Freddy Kruegers. And I was about 10 when the first Nightmare on Elm Street movie came out. But then they just kept, through high school and college, it just kept making the movies. And but I always tell people when I introduce and they figure out my name's Freddy Krueger, I always say I was first, I came before the movies. I mean, even when I was a kid, before I was with MasterCraft, the MasterCraft team, they were kind of the cool kids. Getting my start and being around not only athletes that were that great, but being around a company that understood how important that last 2% really is, right? It's what separates the winners from losers a lot of times. And I think MasterCraft was so key in that development. And so then all the way through my career, being able to then transition that a little bit from not only our performances and what we need the boats to do for us while we're on the water, but then to become a part of the team that's starting to look at that differently and understand, integrating new technologies like Zero Off and, the SurePath systems and stuff like that. All the world records and the 150 professional wins and all that. It's hard to say I couldn't have done it with a different company because I don't know, but I can't imagine doing it with a different company. The thing that I love about MasterCraft is, as people have come and gone, and we've lost some incredible people that, for one reason, maybe we lost them because they no longer fit in. Maybe we lost them because they had a better opportunity. The fear was always that the next man up, as they say, wouldn't understand what it means, what that last 2% means. And the fact that we're still, after all these years, attracting people to the company that understand that value and who make working on those projects as enjoyable as they can be. But it is definitely one of the coolest parts of, my career is watching a room full of people who, they never know the difference between 98 and 100%. But by God, they're going to help me chase it.